We were just talking about how do you kiss when you are wearing a mask. So if anybody has any experience on the Facebook, please do let me know कि कैसे kiss करते हैं जब आप mask पहनते हैं. Okay. अरे भैया लड़ना बंद करो और अगर लड़ रहे हो तो बंद करके लड़ो, म्यूट करके लड़ो. That is a better way of, you know, हमको सुनाई दे रहा है जो भी लड़ रहा है. आप चाहते हैं कि dirty linen shouldn't be washed in public, then do something about it, राजा. नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. अभी भी फेसबुक पे गया नहीं है. So give me a minute. I don't know what it is doing. It's preparing is what it's saying. Okay. So Binayfer, let's start with you.
Yes, Anu.
Yes. Is our Aarti there? I can't see her anyway.
No, I can't see her.
Perfect. You start with it.
Okay.
So let's all of us welcome Binayfer. Binayfer is somebody who really connects everybody to everybody. Binayfer, हमारी date बाकी है अभी.
Yes, I know, Anu. Monday या Tuesday पक्का.
ठीक है. We have a date, huh? Monday या Tuesday. Wearing a mask on both the sides.
Wearing a mask, yes.
Proudies with the mask on. Okay. Now let's start with Bindu's reading first. Bindu Khurana.
Yes.
Today we have two Sardarnis gracing this platform, and I'm very, very lucky to have Guru Nanak here.
How sweet.
Wow.
How sweet.
Yes.
Do we have to ask her a question or she's gonna just...
Whatever you wish.
यार हमेशा आपसे पूछते हैं लोग. आज आपकी बारी.
चलो.
पूछो दिल खोल के.
जो उसने देना. This is the first question. Whatever is in store, let it come out. No questions.
Okay. So I had to ask thrice because the seeker is hiding. So it's showing a little, maybe a confused time with the family. So family here could also mean somebody who you're so close to, who you think as family, or some conflict going on within yourself.
Okay.
So you're getting messages, you know what is to be done. You are feeling that, okay, whatever issues are there, that how do you need to solve it. So just be like water for now. Let it flow. Just let it go through you and not let it affect you. And that is how you're going to get a lot of mental freedom.
Okay.
And just be open to receiving help or even asking for help. Whatever you feel right now is required. And that again will open the doors to a lot of abundance coming your way.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful. We have Seema joining us today. I hope, Seema, you're feeling better. Let's do one reading for Savneet. I don't see her here, which is quite interesting. आज उसकी talk है. I will have to give her a call.
She'll join in.
She'll join in. Just read for her.
Yes, sure. Okay, so Savneet, for you, what I've got is a beautiful journey is going to start for you, which is going to be a blend of spirituality and inner happiness. So that is what you need right now. You need to walk these two paths together, and that is where a lot of karmic clearance is going to happen for you. A lot of places where you felt...
Be like dinner, because lunch I'll have chicken with lettuce. Dinner?
Please
Divya?
everybody,
Mute.
please everybody mute themselves. Please everybody mute yourself. Divya, please mute yourself. Okay. कर दिया मैंने mute.
Okay,
Continue.
sorry. Yeah. So a lot of karmic clearings will happen once you start walking these two paths. And please don't feel shy of asking for help, because there's no harm in asking for help or receiving. And a lot of pathways are going to open once you get into this flow. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's read for Seema. She has not been
Yes.
well. Let's read for her. She had sent a special request on the WhatsApp कि मेरे लिए please कौड़ीज पढ़वा दो.
Sure. Hi, Seema. Any
Yeah,
questions?
hi everybody. No
कैसे हो?
question as usual.
Okay.
But I think universe knows what I want. So देखिए
Yes.
क्या है मेरे लिए.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anu.
You're most welcome, sweetheart. We miss you. आ जा
I
करो.
know. Yes.
9:30 बजे दुनिया नहीं चल रही होती, सो रही होती.
अरे नहीं, I miss जब मैं आती हूँ तो तब पता चलता है सेशन नहीं है, और जब मैं नहीं आती हूँ तो पता चलता है सेशन हो गया.
नहीं, जिंदगी में तो नहीं ये चल रहा.
Looks like it. वही. I'm not able to catch the right bus.
Yes.
Yeah. So Seema, for you, very strange that the Kauri, which signifies problem, has actually flown out of the chart. It's gone out of the boundaries. So where are you letting your problems go out of hand? So just try
Okay.
to be the person you are. You are such a beautiful person. You are so jolly. I mean, you can really liven up a room with the way you are. Like, I mean, we know how you are. So where is that, Seema? Where is that inner happiness of yours that you're not able to bring out?
Yes.
So please get back to yourself. Ask for universal help. Ask for, it's like, it's like a marriage of asking and receiving. It's a beautiful blend which you need to accept, that as you're receiving, you will help. So don't stop the receiving and just don't keep giving, because that is where the imbalance is caused. So do that, and a lot of things will sort out for you. And please do a lot of protection for yourself, whatever chants, meditation, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Please do that too. Just protect your aura, protect yourself from all these things and get you out of it. Thank you.
Always bang on, Binaypa. How do you do that? Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next person and let's read for Neera.
Okay. Neera, any questions?
Neera, कोई सवाल? Okay. Should we go ahead?
Is she there?
I have no idea. Let's go to the...
No, nothing. Thank you. Just love hearing you all.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Our life is only getting prepared. It's not happening. And that's not okay.
There's a lot of rain, Anu, so maybe because of that, the network is really bad. Even I can't switch on my camera. It's getting disconnected. It's raining so heavily over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so Neeru, for you, what I'm getting is right now your focus, your concerns are with the family, in and around the family. So a lot of messages are coming to you, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. So as soon as you start following that awareness that you're getting regarding your family, it's going to be a much brighter period for you. It's going to be a much happier time for you, where the family gets together, bonds together, and a happier time than what is happening right now. And again, for you also, I'm getting you need to protect yourself, you need to protect your aura and the family. So like, if you maybe are the person who believes in nazar lag jati hai, if I say something, or if people say, see my family and say कि कितनी अच्छी family है आपकी, तो you might feel कि नजर लग जाती है. So for that you can do something, protect your family. If you know any modality, do an auric protection around your family to keep them safe, and definitely things will get better soon. Thank you.
Any suggestion of how to protect the jo buri nazar hoti? I mean, some sort of tips on that?
See, you can, if you are a Reiki practitioner or a pranic or whatever practitioner, then definitely you would know that. Otherwise, maybe I can just tell you a little later what you can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks. I'll let you know later.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Most welcome.
Wonderful. Let's go to the next person. Let's read for Dr. Varsha.
Yes.
Namaste, Teji
Dr.
ji.
Varsha, any questions?
Dr. Varsha ji, कोई सवाल?
Can I restart my practice in Vilapala? I've shifted from Binder after 27 years.
Okay.
Wow.
You can definitely start it. It might take some time because right now your time is for spiritual growth. So how you will blend that with your work, and you can definitely start. It's not going to happen immediately, maybe a couple of months down the line. But yes, do work on yourself first, because the more you work on yourself, the more spiritually advanced you get. I'm not talking about being religiously advanced, but spiritually advanced. The more that happens, it'll be easier for you to start your practice again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Let's do a reading for Padmini.
Yeah. Any questions, Padmini?
No, in general, how life would be now further after 61 years now, after 60 years of life?
Okay. Okay, so Padmini, for you, I'm getting you need to get a little more into spirituality to make you feel more grounded, to make you feel more connected with yourself. So if you feel maybe a disconnect with family members, I mean, it's there, family is always there. You might feel that, like everything is there, but somewhere something may be amiss. So to get that balance, to get that harmony within yourself and the family, you need to move into spirituality. You don't need to do something very drastic, but just some small things which will make you feel more grounded, which will make you feel more complete. And do this for yourself, because it's you that would have the ups and downs or the misconceptions maybe at times if you're feeling. So it's all within you right now. There's nothing bad about it, but it's just the mind. So like, how you say chanchal man, sometimes it's here, sometimes it's there. So to balance that, to get a more grounded approach towards what's happening at home, what's happening around life, spirituality is needed for you right now. Thank you. Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Sorry.
Muted. Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay, so did you hear me?
Anu, you're muted, huh?
Okay, just thank you for that. एक बार फिर से बोल दो, नहीं सुनाई दिया.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So till where did you hear? I'm sorry.
Didn't hear
I
it
was
all.
just continuously talking. I didn't realize.
No problem.
Okay. So what you need to do is basically blend spirituality into your daily life. You don't have to do something very drastic, just something where you can handle things going your way. So there are times when your mind is a little at you feel like you don't have any rest. You feel like everyone is there but I'm still alone. So these situations, these emotional ups and downs keep happening. So to blend that and make you feel more grounded, to make you feel more complete in harmony with yourself and your family, you need to go into spirituality. So whatever little you can do it for yourself, just do it for your self growth. You no need to do something maybe very expensive or very dramatic, but just whatever keeps you happy, whatever you feel connected to, please do that. Thank you.
Could you do one reading for Suchi, please? Thank you.
Sure.
Suchi, do you have any question?
No, thank you.
Okay. So Suchi, for you, what I've got is a lot of protection is required, a lot of times where you need to use your intelligence, to need to use your wisdom to move ahead in life. So you could take it as a warning that don't do things which you're not aware of. Don't do things where you don't have enough knowledge about it, maybe like an investment, or you want to like maybe buy something which is like really expensive, or whatever investments you want to do right now. Just do with a lot of caution. Ask somebody who really knows about whatever you're doing in that field, and only then go ahead. And in general, just try and change your perspective about a lot of things, because the minute you shift, your energy shifts, things will start being more clearer for you, and a beautiful flow will set into your life. Thank you.
Wonderful. The last for everybody in the group, so that everybody is in a happy place before we bring our beautiful Bindu Kurana.
Okay, so for the entire group, what I've got is abundance coming in, a lot of karmic cleansing happening for each one of us here. And we need to move into spirituality and again blend that with our inner happiness, our inner selves. So we need to bring that out. We need to be happy from within, because only then we can have a well-rounded approach and just be safe for ourselves. Thank you.
Wonderful.
जगह जगह मरे पे
इश्वीन जी, जगह जगह जो भी मरिया पे है उन्हें बंद करके आवाज बंद कर दो तुसी, प्लीज.
सॉरी